Hi, Susan. I hope this helps with what you're struggling with. If I understand correctly, you want to freeze both some rows and some columns in Excel. So it's not too difficult. What you want to do is you want to go below the row or rows that you want to freeze and to the right of the columns. So if I wanted to freeze this 1, 2, and 3, and columns A and B. I would position myself right here. Maybe if I can click. Where's my mouse? Okay, so I would click in here, come up here to View, Freeze Panes, Freeze Panes. And what that will do is it will lock in everything above it and to the left of it. So if I scroll, do you see this is locked in? If I scroll down, then top is locked in. So I don't lose my position as I move through the spreadsheet. All right, if that's not what you're struggling with, or if you're still having problems, let me know and I'll stop in. I have a Zoom meeting with a student here at 10, and then I'll be heading into work. So give this a try and let me know. All right, thanks.